Hey, welcome to Sandra's Big House. I'm a professional pastry chef and today I'm sharing a detailed tiramisu recipe I like making at home. Brew some strong black coffee or even espresso if you like a very strong coffee flavor. We need to let it cool down. Now start by separating egg yolks from egg whites. We're gonna use both. This is the traditional way, unlike some popular recipes right now that call for whipping cream instead of egg whites. And mix both parts with some granulated sugar. Set a double boiler and place egg yolks on top so that the bowl isn't touching the water. We're doing this to pasteurize eggs. I notice it's a controversial thing. Some people have no problem consuming raw eggs, and I can't argue with that since I'm not an expert. On the other hand, some people are really concerned about raw eggs and won't even have a little piece of raw dough. Thermometer is quite essential here. We're aiming at this temperature on the screen and immediately remove from the heat. Egg yolks need a few minutes to cool down. We do the same with egg whites. But remember not to use the same utensils after yolks. We want to keep whites fat-free. Now whip egg yolks for a few minutes to achieve a lighter texture and color. Mix in mascarpone a little at a time. It came directly from the fridge. In the traditional recipe, Italians use marsala, which is a dessert wine, according to my research, but I couldn't find it where I live, honestly. But I could find rum. Cognac works too, or even just rum flavoring if you want to skip alcohol. Add it after mascarpone. Now whip egg whites with clean and dry whisks, and fold them in with the rest of the mascarpone cream gradually. Choose a rectangular or square-shaped dish that is quite deep too. You'll find the size in the description. Dip each ladyfinger in coffee for 2-3 seconds, not longer. Otherwise, there'll be liquid leaking through your dessert on the plate. I like to add some additional alcohol into the coffee as well. Divide cream on a scale or just eyeball half of it. Tiramisu is one of my favorite desserts of all time, and its traditional recipe with egg whites is so much better and lighter, less greasy. The hard part is coming. We need to let tiramisu rest in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. Even though we dip ladyfingers in coffee, they're still dry in the middle, intentionally. We don't want them soaking wet in coffee. Moisture from mascarpone cream will do that part for us. Dust this beautiful masterpiece in cocoa only before serving. The traditional way of serving tiramisu is simply scooping portions of it with a bigger spoon or a spatula. Enjoy this delicious Italian heritage and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next video.